How to create new purchase order with purchase request. To create purchase order, go to Project Dashboard. Select Purchase Order. Click plus. Select Date. Purchase Request. Supplier. Click on Material box with red border. You will see details of purchase request, add rate, delivery date, and other required detail. Click Update Material. To add more materials, repeat the process. Click Save. You can add new location, supplier, material category, material, and measurement unit from master records. Purchase request must be approved, then only you will be able to see purchase request here. An authorized person has to approve the purchase order, then only you can see it in material received.